Welcome to another career counseling segment here at OLE, where we experts try to analyze different careers for you, as well as make you aware about the different careers which you can opt for once you have chosen a particular subject. The focus of today's career talk will be the subject biology. Have you ever been intrigued about the various features which occur in individuals, yourself for that matter? Have you ever wondered कि कौन सा फीचर हमें अपने maternal side से मिला है, paternal side से मिला है? I think all of you at some point of time have thought about it. But have you also given a thought to the abnormalities which occur? क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि जो भी abnormalities human race में होती हैं, जो भी diseases human race में होती हैं, उनमें से कुछ percentage can actually be related to genetics? Well, yes, it's actually true. Some of the diseases are passed down through generations because of the genes. And the career that we are going to be talking about today is actually related to that. We will be discussing about career as a genetic counselor. So before we move on to the actual aspect of career counseling and what it is as a career, let us get to know a little about heredity and genes. So you all know कि हमारी पूरी की पूरी body छोटे छोटे cells से बनी हुई है और actually इन्हीं cells के अंदर information stored होती है जो कि generation by generation pass on होती है और particular features को govern करती है. तो आपका कोई भी फीचर एक्चुअली उस इंफॉर्मेशन की वजह से पोर्ट्रे होता है. दिस इंफॉर्मेशन इज कैरीड इन द सेल्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डीएनए. डीएनए यानी कि डीऑक्सीराइबोन्यूक्लिक एसिड, एंड द डीएनए मेक्स अप क्रोमोसोम्स. हर ऑर्गेनिज्म में स्पेसिफिक नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स होते हैं. अगर क्रोमोसोम्स बढ़ जाएं या घट जाएं, it leads to an abnormality. Specifically अगर जीन्स की बात किया जाए, क्रोमोसोम्स एक्चुअली जीन्स से बने होते हैं और जीन्स कोड करते हैं फॉर डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ फीचर्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ प्रोटीन्स. प्रोटीन्स बनाते हैं और फिर वो पोर्ट्रे होते हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डिफरेंट फीचर्स. अब अगर कोई जीन नॉन फंक्शनल हो जाए या डिसफंक्शनल हो जाए, कम फंक्शनल हो जाए, तो अगेन इट विल लीड टू एन एबनॉर्मैलिटी. और ये सारी जो abnormalities होती हैं related to chromosomes and genes, they actually come in genetic disorders. So actually when we talk about career in genetic counseling, we are focusing on genetic disorders. So the first question which must be coming to your mind is, what do genetic counselors do? Well, let me tell you, genetic counseling as a profession is kind of a newer profession. अभी पिछले 60-70 सालों में ही एक्चुअली ये ब्लूम किया है. एंड इफ वी टॉक अबाउट जेनेटिक काउंसलर्स, दे आर एक्चुअली ट्रेन्ड मेडिकल हेल्थ केयर प्रोफेशनल्स हु आर गोइंग टू हेल्प यू guide an individual or his family to navigate through any of the genetic or hereditary disorders which might be running in his family. अगर सिंपल टर्म्स में बात करें तो जेनेटिक काउंसलर्स का काम होता है कि जो भी क्लाइंट्स, जो भी पेशेंट्स उनके पास आए with a concern regarding some hereditary problem. Now these patients or these clients can be anyone. Someone who's expecting a child and has a risk कि भाई उनकी फैमिली में कोई ना कोई genetic disorder चलता आ रहा है. Is the child also feasibly at risk of that disorder? या फिर someone who's planning for a child also, और उनकी फैमिली में कोई जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर है या कोई ऐसा डिसऑर्डर है जो फैमिली में रन करता है एंड दे वांट टू नो कि वेदर द चाइल्ड इज एट रिस्क. दे कैन बी कपल्स हु हैज हैड अ चाइल्ड विद सम काइंड ऑफ जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर हु वांट्स टू नो कि अगर उनका दूसरा बेबी होगा तो क्या उसमें भी ऐसा रिस्क हो सकता है. दे कैन ऑल्सो बी चिल्ड्रन who have already been diagnosed, या फिर कोई ऐसी मिस्ट्री डिजीज है जो कि अभी अनडायग्नोज्ड है एंड द पेरेंट्स आर genuinely concerned about what kind of disease has hit their child. They can also be adults जिनके फैमिली में coronary diseases, psychiatric diseases या फिर neurological diseases as such चलते आ रहे हैं through generations. So all of these clients are going to come to a genetic counselor. Genetic counselor का काम क्या होगा अब? Once these clients come to them, they are going to prepare a full history of the individual's life as well as his family, close cousins, extended family, right? And try to analyze कि जो भी disorder है वो किस pattern में follow हो रहा है, वो किस तरह से generation to generation transmit हो रहा है, और क्या उस पर्टिकुलर इंडिविजुअल के लिए भी रिस्क है या नहीं. सो ही इज गोइंग टू एक्सप्लोर ऑल ऑफ दैट रिस्क एंड देन असाइन सर्टेन टेस्ट्स, सर्टेन जेनेटिक टेस्ट्स जो कि कंफर्म करेंगे जो भी प्रोग्नोसिस होगा उसको. वंस द टेस्ट रिजल्ट्स हैव कम आउट, उनको इंटरप्रेट करके क्लाइंट को समझाना, उनको इमोशनल सपोर्ट देना, उनको इंफॉर्मेशन से एम्पावर कर देना ताकि वो अपना डिसीजन ले सके. दैट इज ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ वर्क ऑफ द जेनेटिक काउंसलर. A genetic counselor actually deals with interpreting all kinds of genetic information of the individual, as well as they also do plan along with the physicians, along with the general doctors. They basically uphold a coordinated plan for treatment as well. कोई भी अगर डिजीज डायग्नोस हो चुकी है उसका ट्रीटमेंट कैसे होना चाहिए, क्या प्लान होना चाहिए, उसमें भी एज सच ये पार्ट लेते हैं. नेक्स्ट, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ जेनेटिक काउंसलिंग. वेल, द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ जेनेटिक काउंसलिंग एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड बैक इन 1990. देखो, सबसे पहले जब डीएनए के स्ट्रक्चर को डिसाइफर कर लिया गया, उसके बाद ह्यूमंस की एक टेंडेंसी है, कुछ भी डिस्कवर होता है ना तो हम सोचते हैं कि एक्चुअली ह्यूमन रेस को ये कैसे बेनिफिट कर सकता है. So the DNA structure was deciphered and then a project was launched by the name of Human Genome Project. इस प्रोजेक्ट का जो एम था ना, it was a far-sighted aim. It aimed at deciphering, decoding all the genetic sequence, all the base sequence, ताकि हर जीन को as such decode किया जा सके, हर जीन जो कि एक इंडिविजुअल में प्रेजेंट है. And actually this project was quite successful. It was a milestone project in the history of the human race. Once this project was successful, we were able to decipher information कि कौन से genes किस protein के लिए कोड करते हैं, as well as we were able to talk about the genetic diseases, the diseases which were related to genes. Because we had decoded the genes, now we could actually look through preventive and treatment measures for the diseases which occur through genes, like thalassemia, hemophilia, color blindness, neurodegenerative disorders, muscular dystrophy, cleft lip and palate, which is a kind of a birth defect, and even cancers. So all these diseases began to be looked at, how they can be prevented, how gene therapy can be looked into for treatment of these particular diseases, और यहाँ पर रोल आया genetic counselors का. Now what are the specializations in genetic counseling if you ask? Well, let me tell you, genetic counseling में generally ये client centered होता है, face to face interaction होता है with the individual or with the patient. However, genetic counselors भी अपने आप में अलग अलग स्पेशलाइजेशंस को चूज कर सकते हैं. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल प्रीनेटल या प्री कंसेप्शन, जहाँ पर एक्सपेक्टिंग कपल्स या फिर कपल्स हु आर प्लानिंग फॉर अ चाइल्ड या कपल्स हु हैव ऑलरेडी हैड अ चाइल्ड एंड दे वांट टू हैव अनदर चाइल्ड, पहले चाइल्ड में कोई डिसऑर्डर आ गया हो, उन सब से डील करना, उनकी काउंसलिंग करना एक्चुअली प्रीनेटल स्पेशलाइजेशन वाले जेनेटिक काउंसलर्स का काम है. देन पेडियाट्रिक में वो बच्चे आते हैं जो ऑलरेडी किसी डिसऑर्डर से डायग्नोज्ड हो चुके होते हैं या फिर कोई मिस्ट्री डिजीज ऐसी होती है जो एक्चुअली जनरल डॉक्टर्स डायग्नोस नहीं कर पा रहे होते हैं. अगेन they come to genetic counselors who are specialized in pediatrics. Then cancer also. Cancer may be about 10% of cancers they run in the genes. मतलब जब जेनेटिक्स या हेरिडिटी और एनवायरमेंटल फैक्टर्स साथ में मिलते हैं ना तो जीन्स डिसफंक्शनल हो सकते हैं. they may be running in the family. So patients or clients who are proactive about their health and उनके family में कोई ऐसा cancer चलता आ रहा है, like for example breast cancer, ovarian cancer, they can come to the genetic counselors who have specialized in this field. Then coronary, related to heart diseases, blood pressure, in general जो ऐसी diseases होती हैं like asthma, tuberculosis, right, ये सब भी actually genetic counselors individuals को counsel कर सकते हैं इन सब diseases के बारे में. Then also neurogenetics, psychiatric problems जो भी family में चलते आ रहे हैं उनके लिए. And post-mortem genetic testing is also another branch. It has emerged as a new branch in fact. होता क्या है, कभी कभी हम लोग सुनते हैं ना कि स्विमिंग आती थी फिर भी द पर्सन ड्राउन्ड, राइट. सो दीज काइंड ऑफ मिस्टीरियस डेथ्स जिनका एक्चुअली रीजन नहीं पता चलता है, उनके बारे में पता लगाना to find out the reason so that the family can be informed about any risk that they might be having is the work of a specialized genetic counselor who's working in the post-mortem genetic counseling field. Right? So these are the various specializations. Well, let me tell you, अगर face to face interaction में आप comfortable नहीं भी हो, तो इनके beyond भी there is a lot of work that a genetic counselor can do. He or she can be working in non-clinical settings such as a lab where genetic tests are being performed and फिर उनको analyze करना, एक plan बनाना. This can be done. या फिर genetic testing companies में काम किया जा सकता है where research is going on regarding all of these diseases. So it's not like genetic counseling is just related to a face-to-face interaction. It actually involves backhand work as well. Next, if we talk about the skills or the job requirements, obviously there are certain skills which a genetic counselor must have, and the foremost is communication. Actually, genetic counselors, more than giving information to the patient, obviously that is part of your job if you're choosing genetic counseling, they should be able to listen. They should be good listeners. They should be able to listen to the anxiety, listen to the tension in the voice of their patient and communicate to them their support, their emotional support, as well as the information also that needs to be communicated. Then they also must have patience, क्योंकि obvious सी बात है अगर आप इस career में आओगे, there will be situations which are extremely heavy, extremely complicated. उन सब को handle करने के लिए बहुत सारे patience की ज़रूरत होगी. The next is objective advising. You should be able to advise the patient. You should be able to open up options for the patient. However, you should also not indulge in decision making for the patient. क्लाइंट को खुद का डिसीजन लेने के लिए आप इतने फ्लेक्सिबल होने चाहिए. Obviously, you should be non-judgmental of the conditions of your clients or patients. The information that you portray, that you give should be reliable. And lastly, one of the most important thing is confidentiality. Trust building is obviously very important when you're talking to your client and he's actually opening up his entire history of his family, of himself in front of you. What's the job outlook? Well, to be talking about positive aspects in case of job outlook, well, let me tell you कि हर साल thousands of genetic tests are being added. ठीक है, जो already inventory present है हमारे पास genetic testing की, genetic test की, उसमें thousands के मात्रा में ये हर साल add होते हैं. तो जाहिर सी बात है, we are actually progressing when we talk about genetic diseases, their analysis, their interpretation. Secondly, क्योंकि इतने advanced genetic test आ चुके हैं, तो बहुत सारी ऐसी diseases हम लोग diagnose कर पा रहे हैं या relate कर पा रहे हैं genetics से, which actually we did not know कि is actually related to genetics. There is also advances in treatment. Treatment हर तरीके से pre-birth, after birth and even in the adults. जो भी abnormalities, जो भी genetic disorders हो रहे हैं, उनके treatment में भी advances हो रहे हैं. Then there is also a lot of medical development going on in the field of cancer as well as coronary care, which is actually a part of genetic counseling, a major part, a major specialization area of genetic counseling. So that is again a positive job outlook for you. What's the career entry pathway if you ask? Well, let me tell you, कुछ मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं ना जिनको मे बी फर्स्ट ईयर सेकेंड ईयर में लगता है कि यू नो मेडिकल फील्ड इज नॉट मेड फॉर मी, मे बी आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू कंप्लीट इट. वेल, यू कैन गो इन फॉर दिस. ये एक्चुअली एक ऐसी फील्ड है जिसमें आप हेल्थ केयर सेक्टर से एसोसिएटेड रहेंगे. यू विल बी डीलिंग विद साइंस. हाउएवर, आपको मेडिकल स्कूल कंप्लीट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप ग्रेजुएशन कर सकते हो विद बायोलॉजी, जेनेटिक्स एंड साइकोलॉजी. ऑब्वियसली स्पेशलाइज्ड एजुकेशन होता है इन मेडिकल जेनेटिक्स एज वेल एज काउंसलिंग. देन पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन प्रोग्राम is offered by various institutes in genetic counseling or life sciences is another option. What are the prestigious institutes which you can check out if you are looking through for making a career in this particular field? Well, Guru Nanak Dev University in Amritsar, Mahatma Gandhi Mission, Aurangabad, St. John's Medical College in Bangalore, Kamineni Institute in Hyderabad. Kamineni Institute में actually Board of Genetic Counseling भी established है. ये certification courses भी provide करते हैं. Various counselings are held, various conferences are held. So actually you can head on to their website also if you are interested in this career. Then there is Sanjay Gandhi PG Institute in Lucknow, the Kasturba Medical College in Bangalore. All these are important institutes. Then if we talk about prospects abroad, well, let me tell you, actually abroad में genetic counseling का for the time being काफ़ी ज़्यादा scope है, especially in Washington DC, in California. California in fact is one of the areas जहाँ पे genetic counseling is blooming like anything. It is ballooning, fueling questions for students as to what is genetic counseling, how we can get through into genetic counseling, as well as for individuals कि उन्हें कब genetic counselors के पास जाना चाहिए. People even before being married are going to genetic counselors to affirm कि if they do go ahead with the marriage, what about their children? Will they be having any risks of any kind of genetic disorders? So it has bloomed to that level, it has become developed to that level in some of the states abroad. Where will you be hired in case you choose this as a career? Well, you can work as a genetic research project coordinator, which is also a back-end job, a kind of a back-end job. You will be working for research in genetic counseling for genetic diseases. You will become a mediator in diagnostic labs. You can be hired as a mediator between the doctors as well as the labs, affirming the test, interpreting the test, whatever has been taken place. Obviously, you can work in hospitals. In fact, 33% of genetic counselors are actually employed in hospitals. The fourth is you can actually start your own firm. You can have an independent consultancy agency and actually employ others rather than being an employee yourself. Right? In this case, you can actually govern how much input you are getting on financial basis as well. Biotech and pharma industry भी genetic counselors को employ करते हैं. Salary prospects, obviously this comes to our mind if we think about a particular career. Well, let me tell you, यहाँ पर भी एक stable salary मिलती है. It can range from 50,000 to 80,000 per month here in India. Abroad की बात करें तो जो practitioner starting salary होती है वो it ranges from 80,000 US dollars to 90,000 US dollars in the beginning. Right, so these are the salary prospects. However, when we talk about salary, obviously एक basic pay तो हमें as such किसी भी career से मिल जाती है. But isn't this a very noble career to follow? You are actually working towards the society. You are having a one-to-one interaction with an individual, getting to know about an individual. You are actually uniquely positioned, if you choose this career, to guide a particular patient in case of genetic disorders, in case of anxiety that he might be having related to genetic disorders in the family, like no one else can. And this is actually a great thing because you are helping not only an individual, his family, the community as well. This can be preventive in a way, potentially. So it is actually a very good career to choose from. Right now, the number of institutes offering genetic counseling as a course are very less. So there's a dearth of genetic counselors, and that is why their services are premium. So that is an uplift for you if you are going to choose this career right now. In the coming years, if you choose this career, well, it will be at a high. The genomic data is being integrated into the patient's files, into his records, जो भी होते हैं related to diseases, related to his health. And what does this mean? This means that this career is going to balloon in the future, which means high job availability, high salary, and a glowing future in this profession. With this, we come to the end of this particular career counseling talk. I'd like to end with a quote of Madame Curie. Nothing in life is to be feared. It is only to be understood. Now is the time to understand more so that we may fear less. With this, I'll sign off. Thank you.